What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 7, 8, 10 or Windows 11 on your Mac OS. As you can see, I'm using Mac OS and I'm also using Windows 11 Pro and Windows 10 Pro on my Mac. Each of them works well without any problems. As you see, this is Windows 11 Pro and this is Windows 10 Pro, and I run them at the same time and they work without any problems, and each system has its own files, and this is an excellent feature. Of course, you can install all the Windows apps and games you want with ease, whether from the internet or from Microsoft Store. As you see, this is the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 Pro, and this is the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 Pro. Okay, as you saw a moment ago, you can install any version of Windows with ease and in very simple steps. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to install any version of Windows you want on your Mac OS. The first thing you will do is go ahead and go to parallelsdesktop website. This is the software that we are gonna use, Parallels Desktop for Mac. This amazing software allows you to run Windows on any Mac, Intel or Apple Silicon and experience a seamless integration between operating systems. Now just go ahead and buy the software, or you can try it for free for 2 weeks. I already have the software, so I will not download it again. After downloading the software, now we need to download the Windows version that we are gonna install. So go ahead to Google search and search for Windows 10 ISO. Now here you should find Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft website. I recommend you to download it from Microsoft. Scroll down and select Windows Edition. Okay, I will select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Hit confirm. Here select the language you want. Hit confirm. Okay, now go ahead and download the version you want to use. You can select 32-bit or 64-bit. I will download 64-bit. Okay, Windows 10 ISO is now downloading. I already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After downloading the ISO file, go ahead and open Parallels Desktop. And as you see, this is the software. As you see, Parallels Desktop allows you to install any version of Windows you want. You can also transfer Windows from PC. If you have another PC, you can transfer all your data from that PC to your Mac, so you can use Windows on your Mac. The software also allows you to install free systems like Linux system, Mint Linux, Android, and even install any version of Mac OS you want. Okay, now I'm gonna install Windows 10 Pro. So here select install Windows or another OS from a DVD or image file and then click continue. The software will automatically search for any available ISO file, and as you see here I have these ISO files. If you can't find your ISO file here, just click select manually. Click select file. Now just go ahead and search for the ISO file you want to install. Okay, I will select Windows 10. Click continue. Here, if you have Windows license key, just type it. If you don't have it, just click continue. Here, select Windows Edition. I will select Windows 10 Pro. Now click done. Now here choose the primary use of Windows. If you want to use it for software testing, just select software testing. If for design, select design. If for games, select games. Click continue. Here you can change the name and the install location. Here click customize Windows before installation. Now click create. Click continue. Okay, go ahead and open hardware option. Here make sure to adjust CPU, RAM and graphics. You can select manually or automatically. It depends on how you want to use the Windows. Now just click continue and that's it. Click OK. Now just wait for the installation to complete. Okay, I will speed up the video. This will take a few minutes. And boom, as you see, installation is complete. It took about 13 minutes. Click accept and there you go. Now you have fully functional Windows inside your Mac. This is pretty amazing and easy. As you can see, it works fine. No lags, no problems. Okay, now I will test Windows quickly. Open settings, system, about, and as you can see, everything is working perfect. Now I have macOS, Windows 11 Pro and Windows 10 Pro. So guys, Parallels Desktop allows you to run multiple operating systems including Windows, Linux, Android and more on your Mac. For many Mac users, running Windows apps is a necessity. You may ask, what is the benefit of installing Windows alongside macOS? Well, some apps and games are available only for Windows, and some apps require the use of a website that relies on some Windows-only technology. For that, maybe you want to play Windows games on your Mac or need to test apps and services on alternative operating systems. The only way you can install and test Windows apps is to install Windows alongside macOS. Alright guys, so this is how to install Windows alongside macOS. It's pretty easy and simple to install. I recommend you to try it. Of course, you will find all the download links below this video. So guys, that's our video for today. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos and peace.